Welcome to one of the world's leading producers and distributors to the global optics industry. Welcome to Edmund Optics. For over 65 years, Edmund Optics has been a leading producer of optics, imaging, and photonics technology, supporting R&D, electronics, semiconductor, pharmaceutical, biomedical, and defense markets around the globe. Edmund Optics employs over 600 professionals throughout the world, including a technical staff of more than 100 optical, mechanical, and imaging engineers at key research and manufacturing locations in Pennsylvania, Arizona, United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, Singapore, Korea, China, Japan, and our worldwide headquarters in New Jersey. Each Edmund Optics location has its own unique specialty, such as glass polishing, prism manufacturing, and advanced optical coatings. Our highly skilled engineers and researchers are constantly developing new techniques for the custom manufacture of optical components for thousands of industrial and consumer applications worldwide.
My vision comes from knowing the customers. Clearly, we are only in business to service customers. Knowing what they want and expect of us is the answer to where we should go.
Well-known biomedical corporations such as Johnson & Johnson, semiconductor giants such as KLA-Tencor, top research labs including Lawrence Livermore and Sandia Labs, in addition to key defense contractors who provide such items as rifle scopes. These are just a few of the customers who routinely rely on Edmund Optics for their custom and standard optical needs. As an optical industry leader, Edmund Optics offers a complete, comprehensive inventory of optical components through our catalog and website, as well as our custom manufacturing and assembly capabilities. Our company maintains one of the largest inventories of optical components in the world today, allowing for quick delivery of parts to customers around the globe.
More than 50% of our catalog sales this year will come from outside of the United States. And the global market is growing much faster than the U.S. market at the moment. We see that as a great opportunity for us to provide the same products and service that have made us successful in the U.S.
Edmund Optics product offerings range from basic spherical optics to complex optical assemblies for literally thousands of consumer and industrial customers. A sampling of our current product lines includes singlets, doublets, prisms, beam splitters, ball lenses, filters, A-spheres, and more, all produced at our manufacturing facilities in Pennsylvania, China, Singapore, and Japan. Innovative manufacturing processes have been key to the longevity and success of Edmund Optics, as demonstrated by this lens manufacturing process in our Pennsburg plant. First, optical glass, or blanks, are received from top glass manufacturers, such as Schott, O'Hara, and Hoya. These blanks are inspected and sent to the manufacturing floor for grinding and polishing.
The first part of fabricating a lens element is in the rough grinding, or we call generating phase. And that can be a multiple phase operation whereby we use a very rough diamond wheel, followed by a series of finer grit diamond wheels to get a near polished surface in preparation for final phase of polishing.
Edmund Optics also offers MRF polishing, where the lens is individually processed using a magneto-rheological finishing machine. This patented deterministic process combines magneto-rheological fluid, a unique magnetically sensitive or magneto-rheological material, with sophisticated computer algorithms to polish the lens. This process has the unique ability to improve figure and finish simultaneously.
The MRF is a finishing technology that allows us to take good polished optics and make great optics. So we can take a spherical part that comes off of a traditional CNC process that might be a quarter wave surface accuracy. We can turn it predictably and repeatably into a 20th wave optic in very little time.
In addition to high-speed and MRF polishing, Edmund Optics is also equipped with Toshiba glass molding equipment. Edmund Optics is one of the few companies in the U.S. doing glass molding, specifically for such applications as U.S. defense optics and components. Glass molding allows for volume production of challenging optics such as A-spheres at a lower cost per piece.
Glass molding offers a significant financial savings to the customer. The process is very repeatable, and not for 10, 20, 30, 50 shots. It's repeatable for thousands of shots.
Next, lenses are centered. This ensures that the mechanical and optical axes are aligned to one another. Finally, the lens is inserted in a planetary and sent to a vacuum chamber for coating.
Each optical component is essentially a piece of glass until the coating is applied. When the coating is applied, it then transforms the glass so that it can be either a mirror, an anti-reflection coating, a polarizer, or some form of filter.
After the lenses have been coated, they proceed to in-process inspection, where many are sent directly to the assembly area for inclusion in an optical assembly.
The basic assemblies that we do here vary in complexity from a very simple assembly, which we would call a drop together, all the way to a very complex, actively aligned system.
Once the lenses are through manufacturing, they then go through a rigorous series of metrology steps to verify they meet the required specifications. Interferometry, profilometry, and modulation transfer testing are a few of the many methods utilized to ensure product compliance.
The level of commitment basically goes down to every operator. It not only starts at top level from CEO, which would be Robert Edmund, but it flows down to the entire company. Everybody in the company is responsible to ensure that the product that we put out the door satisfies customer needs and meets their requirements.
Edmund Optics produces over 5 million lenses each year and supplies products to over 500,000 customers globally. The company is regarded as an industry leader and pioneer for its extensive technical support capabilities, from detailed optical design and prototyping to daily project review with customers. Applications engineers are stationed throughout the world and provide 24-hour, 6-day-a-week engineering support via phone and internet.
We understand what our customers want from us is optical components, and so we stay focused on that, and I think that makes us unique amongst the other suppliers out there.
From standard products to custom applications, Edmund Optics is ready to take virtually any optical challenge, from design to prototype to production. Edmund Optics' state-of-the-art manufacturing capabilities, combined with its global distribution network, has earned it the position of the world's largest supplier of off-the-shelf optical components. Edmund Optics continues to expand beyond its existing markets into new countries such as India, Taiwan, Australia, and the Czech Republic, as well as invest in the future of optical technology. We are committed to being your preferred supplier of optical components.